24 daily used sentences. 24টি দৈনিক ব্যবহৃত বাক্য। সে দিনের বেলায় ঘুমায়। He sleeps during the day. He sleeps during the day. সে স্কুলে যায় না। She does not go to school. She does not go to school. তুমি কি তাকে চেনো? Do you know him? Do you know him? তুমি কি চা পান করো? Do you drink tea? Do you drink tea? কয়টা বাজে? What time is it? What time is it? সে বুদ্ধিমতী। She is intelligent. She is intelligent. তিনি একজন কৃষক। He is a farmer. He is a farmer. লোকটা মিথ্যা কথা বলে। The man is lying. The man is lying. সকাল হয়েছে। It's morning. It's morning. আমার কাছে একটা পাখি আছে। I have a bird. I have a bird. সে খুব শক্তিশালী। He is very strong. He is very strong. এটা খুব ভালো প্রস্তাব। This is a very good offer. This is a very good offer. সে খুব অলস। She is very lazy. She is very lazy. তুমি কি চোর? Are you a thief? Are you a thief? সে কি ইংরেজি জানে? Does he know English? Does he know English? আমি কিছু কিনতে চাই। I would like to buy something. I would like to buy something. আমার কথা শোনো। Listen to me. Listen to me. তুমি কেমন আছো? How are you? How are you? তুমি কি পান করতে পছন্দ করো? Do you like to drink? Do you like to drink? এখানে কি হচ্ছে? What's going on here? What's going on here? শুনুন। Listen. Listen. আমি আনন্দিত। I am glad. I am glad. অনেক ধন্যবাদ। Thank you very much. Thank you very much. তুমি কি সুখী? Are you happy? Are you happy? Thank you.